Okay, so this is a sound test of the Zoom H1 and the RØDE VideoMic, and also the Canon EOS 600D or T3i in America. So right now you're listening to the Zoom H1, and now I'll switch over to the RØDE VideoMic. Let's just plug it in right here. Okay, now you're listening to the RØDE VideoMic. It's about 2 feet away from my feet, from my face, and it is pointed directly at my mouth. You can see it right here. Yeah. So you can hear it's the sound coming from the RØDE VideoMic, and now I'll just point it another way, away from my face, and yes, you can hear my voice is not as clear as it is now, right now. So now I'll switch over to the Canon EOS 600D. Okay, so this is the voice coming through the Canon EOS 600D, and you'll probably hear that the quality is much better. It's not as good as the RØDE VideoMic and the Zoom H1. So I'll just switch over to the Zoom H1 again, and now you're hearing the Zoom H1. I hope you like this comparison, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.